Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing guys how you can basically zoom in and out of videos using keyframes. So I'm just going to select this one and I'm just going to zoom it in first. So add a keyframe here, and then to zoom in, you're just going to scale it like so. And as you can see, zoomed in to the video. To zoom out, I'm just going to add another keyframe first, and then like here, I'm just going to double tap on the video to scale it out. Did I even? Hold on. I think it's already like scaled out. Hopefully, yeah, okay, it is. But that's pretty much how you can zoom in and out of videos on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!